Hello guys, welcome in our new channel Astro Freak. The first video that is going to be on this channel is on a new research paper, and the paper is on the contradictory conclusion between time travel and free will. Well, let us start the video. As we know that time travel is a widely recognized concept in philosophy and fiction. Even there has been controversy over time travel for years. Now, the concept of time travel has become a special topic on which physicists and philosophers have been thinking and researching. Well, so before entering in this paper, let us know what actually time travel is. Actually, time travel is the concept of movement between certain points in time with the use of a hypothetical device known as time machine. The idea of time machine was popularized by H.G. Wells in his novel The Time Machine in 1895. Traveling by going back and forth in the present time, it is nice to hear, but when it is thought deeply, our minds get confused. Time travel is very fun in films, but its principles and aspects keep us in suspense. Moving into future is possible or not, I have no idea. But moving into the past is impossible because when we imagine to travel into the past, many paradoxes comes to us, such as grandfather paradox, predestination paradox, ontological paradox, etc. But might be there are solutions of these paradoxes which are still unknown to us. Hey, if you don't know these paradoxes and wants a separate videos on these paradoxes, tell us in comment box. We shall try to make a separate video for each paradoxes. Well, so this paper says that if time travel into future could possible in future, then it means we cannot have free will. Or if we have free will, then time travel cannot be possible. The idea of free will opposes the idea of time travel, and vice versa. This contradiction arises when we start to think or imagine to travel into future. Let me explain this in brief. We humans think that we have free will. At first, let me explain what actually free will is. Well, so free will is generally understood as the ability to freely choose our actions and determine own outcomes. Basically, free will means free and independent choice or voluntary decisions. Means we have not programmed by any super being. We can think independently anything, unlike the cartoons. In cartoons, no any character has independent thinking. They think what we have programmed. Now, many philosophers and physicists think that time travel in future might be possible. Yeah, I know it is not possible yet, but it might be possible in future. Here, I am not talking about the time travel which theory of relativity predicts. Einstein's theory of special relativity says that time slows down or speeds up depending on how fast a traveler moves relative to something else. And approaching light speed, a person inside a spaceship would act much slower than his twin at home, and what we call twin paradox. But when he would return from the journey, he would find much younger than his twin, but he would not be in future. It would be actually present. Similarly, Einstein's theory of general relativity also predicts such a phenomena, but on the basis of gravity, not speed. I am not going to discuss here general theory of relativity. So here, this paper is on time travel with the use of a hypothetical device, and it is time machine by which we could travel in any point of time in future, and even many philosophers and scientists believe on time travel into future. Well, we believe in time travel and free will too. So now, suppose time travel in future is possible, okay? It means we could travel in any point of time. Means we could travel in 2035, 2036, 2037. But for traveling in 2035 or 2036 from 2020, our future should be there. Means future should be exist. I mean our future should be certain or sure. Means everything which is happening around us has already been decided or determined, or everything which is happening around us has already been decided, because 2020 was also a future for us when we were in 2015. So how could we have free will since everything has already been determined? Let me explain this with an example. Suppose that today is 2nd of June and I have had serious quarrel with my girlfriend today. She really loves me, and so the fight between us made her worry about whether she would lose me. She really does not want to lose me. Now, suppose that I have a time machine and I, by means of my time machine, travel one day forward in time. That is, I travel to 3rd June, and then I find there that my girlfriend, for she wants to manage me, tries to make a set of plans and writes those on her blackboard. See, then from those ideas, tries to choose the best idea as a plan to convince me and win me back. She finally makes the plan to buy me a calculus book because she knows that I really love solving calculus problems. So she then goes to the bookstore and then buys a calculus book. And I have seen all this there in future. And after saying this all, I return in present, and that is on 2nd of June. So the date 2nd of June has passed away finally, and 3rd June has come. And today is 3rd June. I go to her home and hiddenly watch her through the window. I see the same scenario here just as I saw when I traveled to the future. I see her thinking and then writing the ideas, the possible ideas to win me back on her blackboard. Amazingly, it happens the same date I saw when I traveled to 3rd June from 2nd June using my time machine. Now I see on 3rd June that she is thinking and writing the ideas on the board, and this means that she is independently thinking of these ideas. Now this means that she has free will. But hold on, I already knew that. I already knew that she would be thinking of all these ideas and then would be writing them on blackboard and then choosing the best possible idea out of this to win me back. I knew all this, for I already saw her doing that when I traveled to 3rd June from 2nd June using my time machine. This means future is already determined. So how can she have free will at all? What I think as a free will is not actually free will, for all that she does is already determined. As far as I have seen when I travel in the future using my time machine, this brings me to a bold conclusion. There is no free will. Free will is just an illusion. Now, say I want to travel into 2021 from 2020 using my time machine. But for to travel to 2021 must be exist. Otherwise, it would be pointless to talk about traveling to 2021. But if 2021 already exists, then this means that 2021 is already determined. And if future is determined, then free will must not be exist. In fact, if that is the case, then free will is nothing more than just a stubborn illusion. So this is all that must be the case when future exists and time travel is possible using any device, which is just hypothetical for now. So from our above discussion, we can somehow conclude that if we say that we have free will, that is free will exists, then this means that future does not exist, and thus it is completely futile to talk about time travel. Or if we say that we could travel in time in future, for this future must exist, and if future exists, then everything has already been determined, and this means that we have not free will. Free will is just an illusion. Or if future has already been determined, then there should be a super being who has programmed and created everything. Well, so it was all about the paper. I summarize it. This paper says that if we could travel in time into future, for this future must exist, and if future exists, then everything has already been determined, and this means that we have not free will. Free will is just an illusion. Or if we have free will, that is free will exists, then this means that future does not exist, and thus it is completely futile to talk about time travel. So guys, how did you like the paper? Please tell us in comment box, and yes, I wanna know your opinion, whether you believe on time travel or in free will. Tell me your opinion in comment box. So that's it for today. See you on an amazing concept in the next video. Till then, subscribe to our channel and on the bell icon so that you get notification of next video automatically. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.